Klaiyi hair has did it again. I am back with another Yaki straight unit from them. This time, this unit has been upgraded. I'm going to show you everything that you need to know about this Yaki straight unit. In today's video, we are getting into a unit from Klaiyi hair. Now, I have reviewed a couple of their wigs in the past and I love them. So I want to go ahead and just open this up and see what we got here today. Also, I really love when units come in this like storage gift bag. It just makes organizing and storing my units so much more convenient. So here is the box that the unit came in. Let's open this up and see what we have. So of course we have the units, and I'll show you this more in just a moment. We also have an elastic band with a Velcro in the back, green, and it says the brand name on it. And then we also have a pack of HD wig caps. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up this unit. So we have some Bye Bye Knots lace tape in the inside. And this unit I actually reviewed before. However, there have been some upgrades. So this is Klaiyi's Yaki Straight Put On and Go Glueless Lace Wig. It does have a 7x5 lace closure. Bye Bye Knots, human hair of course. And this one comes with a non-slip wig cap. So that is the upgrade that was made. So let's take a look at the construction. So we have the lace pre-cut off for us. The knots are already bleached. The hairline is pre-plucked. Looks very nice against the skin. So a 7x5 closure. So we have the, let's see here. So there's no combs here in the front of the unit. We have the elastic band that's made on the inside. Super duper thin adjustable elastic band, which I absolutely love because it creates no bulkage in the inside of the unit. So we have a comb right here in the back. We have the drawstring, and then we have a silicone strip that spans about, actually it goes all the way up to the lace. So pretty much the entire unit except for the lace of course. But here is the Yaki straight texture. Color is in a natural black color. Let me see what the length is on this unit. All right, so this unit is 24 inches. So price is $250.67. Now, if I do have any kind of promo code, I will put it down in the description box for you. So make sure to take a look out for that. Now, they do have lengths from 14 inches all the way up to 24 inches. So 24 inches is going to be the longest length. Now, I do see a promo code here. If you enter Lynn, L-Y-N-E-E, then the price is $188. So gives you some monies off. Now, if I do have my own personal code, I'll put that down in the description box below. But the free services that are provided is that it is pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached, which is really nice on this 7x5 HD lace. Let's see here. Now the density, I am not seeing what the density is. However, if I had to guess, I would say 180% density, but let's just go ahead and install and see what it looks like on, and I'll be able to give you a better idea of the density. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get into this install. So as you can see, I already have a nude wig cap on my head. I'm going to start by placing this elastic band around the back of my hair and placing this back comb in the back of my head. Love the elastic band. It's so thin because it's undetectable in the unit. So I'm going to turn around so I can kind of adjust the unit on my head, making sure that the ear tabs fall exactly where I need them to be, and making sure that the part is in the middle of my hair. Now, as far as the drawstring, I am going to pull taut on it and then lock it into place with that little knob and tuck the end of the string into the side of the unit in the back. Now, I am going to spray this unit down just a little bit. I'm taking some Sebastian hair shaper spray. This is a light holding spray, and I'm going to spray it right there on the lace where it meets my forehead. Now I'm going to take the Klaiyi elastic band and attach it, the Velcro, in the back of my head, and pull it up like a headband and let it rest right on top of that lace. Now, since this is a light holding spray, I'm only going to leave the elastic band on for about 5 or 10 minutes or so, but I'm just combing through the hair now, just making sure to get out any kind of kinks and tangles, which there are none. Yaki Straight is that girl, let me tell you. As far as a length check, length comes all the way down to my waist and to my butt in the back, and this is 24 inches. So while the lace is melting, I am going to go ahead and straighten it with my flat iron. Now this is just my Bioionic flat iron. I have had this forever. I don't even think they sell it anymore. But I'm taking large sections of hair and just flat ironing it from root to tip. On each side of my hair, I only sectioned it in maybe 5 or 6 sections. You don't need to section small with this hair in order to flat iron it. It's just that good. All right, so I have a one side flat ironed, and just look at how wonderful and beautiful this hair is. It's so smooth, but it still has that wonderful Yaki straight texture. So now that I flat ironed both sides of my hair, I'm going to remove the elastic band, and I'm just taking apart the Velcro in the back, and just look at that lace. It looks so good already. But I'm going to take some of my contouring powder with a brush and just pat the makeup right into the lace, right at the edge, just so it matches my own skin tone. And then just a little bit of Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color 330 with an angled brush, and I'm going to brush this right into the parting space. We just want to make that part pop just a little bit. All right, so now that the hair is all straight, it looks so good. Length check is pretty much going to be the same in the front and in the back. So you can see this hair is long, again, 24 inches, but it looks longer, to be honest with you. And the hair is not stiff whatsoever. She is flowy, she is bouncy. But wait, we are not done. We are going to throw some curls into this unit with my Conair curling iron. All right, so I finished putting the curls in with my Conair curling iron, and this is linked down in the description box below. I've had this for a while. I think it was only like $15, $20, and always gets my curls perfect. So I'm just going to take a wide tooth comb and comb through these and then provide you with my final thoughts of this unit. So I have figured out certain wig companies really do certain textures very, very well. And Klaiyi is one of those that does Yaki straight super duper well. I believe it might be the only texture that I have tried from them, but Yaki straight from Klaiyi is always top tier. It is absolutely gorgeous. The luster is low. It looks very, very natural. It holds a curl very, very nicely. It's just a very, very nice texture, and I'm never disappointed. I am never disappointed. So as you can see, these curls came out super duper nice. I just wanted something like loose and kind of flowy, and it did what I needed to do. So yes, so no tangling, no shedding, fingers are gliding right through. Again, I'm not really sure on the density, but if I had to guess, I would say 180% density. So this lace is very, very nice. It's HG lace blended right in. I did not use the lace tape or anything. Now this is a 7x5 closure. The lace stretches a nice amount, like from here to here, and then all the way back here or so. So if you wanted to change this to a left side part, right side part, whatever you wanted to do, you would be able to do that. If you wanted to do like a top knot with the rest down, then you would be able to do that as well. Since my hairline is lower, I was not able to like really spray over here, because as you can see, my edges are popping out. But if I wanted to change this to a left side part, I could do that, or a right side part. But I am just going to leave it as a middle part because it just looks so good. So again, this is 24 inches long. The length is very, very lengthy, comes down to my waist, curled, came down to like the bottom of my waist, super duper straight. But I'm gonna turn around so you can see it with the curls. All right, and again, the hair is so flowy and bouncy. Love it. Yaki straight is one of my absolute favorite textures because it just looks so natural. It looks like relaxed hair or a silk press on a natural hair. It just looks so good, and especially for Black women, the texture is just spot on. So here it is. So I'm going to put everything down in the description box below, a link to Klaiyi hair, a link to this upgraded Yaki straight unit. And then of course, if I have my own promo code, I'm going to put that down in the description as well. But that pretty much wraps up this video. This unit is gorgeous. I have no complaints about it whatsoever. Beautiful, beautiful unit. And all of the Yaki straight textures by Klaiyi have not disappointed me. V-port unit, closure units, nothing. The Yaki straight is where it's at. So that wraps up this video. I hope you all have a wonderful, blessed holiday season. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Send this video to a friend, and I will see you all in the next video.